Hi guys, it's Mitzi from the Mitzi Langley, and I got an amazing package in the mail, and I'm so excited. You know, I am a makeup girly. Everyone's raving about this bad boy here, and I didn't see anyone with my skin complexion do this, so let's do it. So this is from Aesthetica. This is a contour kit. So let's go ahead and open it up together. I'm liking the packaging so far. It looks very expensive, okay? So it comes with a instruction manual, which I'm loving. So let me let you see how it looks. So it gives you all the details, and my favorite part is this back here, where it's gonna tell you how you should contour for the size of your face. A oval face, I'm gonna follow that one right there, beauty blender here. So let's go ahead and open it up and let me show you how it looks. Super soft, okay? So this is how it looks. Let me go ahead and wet it. You have to make sure it's really wet to make sure this is really blends well. And let's go ahead and open the product. All right, so, ooh, it looks really good. This is a cream, all right? Let's let you look at those. All right, so I'm gonna just follow this picture here. I'm gonna pick something that kind of fits my skin color. I'm gonna go with this one here. This is more of a brown, and this is how it looks here. And I'm gonna put this right in the middle of my forehead. All right, so I'm just gonna start putting that in the middle of my forehead. That's the lighter color. I'm gonna put it on my chin now and then on my nose. All right, so now I'm gonna go with the darker shade. I'm gonna blend those two colors and I'm gonna just put those on the side. And I'm also gonna do my neck. I want to have a super snatched face, so let me go ahead and do my nose as well. I'm loving how creamy this goes on my face, and it's so smooth. So right now I'm doing my blending, and oh my God, I'm so excited. I love it.